It is very important for everyone to keep themselves fit, and in order to keep themselves fit, we apply so many methods. We put all our efforts, we focus on our diet, we focus on our lifestyle. But when it comes to do practice aggressively, there are two options which come to our mind. One is gymming, which is very famous among the youths, and the second one is yoga, which is considered a quite old fashioned, but these days it has become a hot topic because more than 180 countries participate in World Yoga Day, that is on 21st of June, it means today. So we have some extraordinary students with us who are going to speak on what is better for keeping yourself fit. Of course, both have their importance, but some are going to support yoga today, and while some other students are going to support gym. So, who would like to speak first? Take the charge. Keep also in your hand and speak something to our audience.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sambhu Pratap, and I am in favor of gymming because gymming is a technique or method through which we can fit our body or we can release our stress from the mind. And I think gymming is very short term and it can provide a better result in a short interval of time, whereas yoga is a very tedious task and we have to maintain our mind, we have to keep our mind calm, and then we can see the result in the 6 months or 8 months, whereas in the gymming we can saw the result in 4 months, 2 months, 4 months at least. So it gives a first result, and I think it is into modern era. It is a much more hot among the youth, and it is also we can in trend rather than yoga.
So are saying that gymming is better than yoga, and he is giving a valid reason that you can change the day from the day first on. Right, as long as you start doing gymming, you see internal and external changes, but yoga is something which gives result after a long span of time, and it also needs a lot of mental peace, and we need to have patience to see the results in
Talking
you.
about gym versus and yoga, so I am supporting gym because gym is better than yoga, because yoga take two time and gym is not take two time, and gym is also a make a good strategy in youth, because in gym we are struggling with weight, how to we increase weight and how to we put up more weight, and also many of the pupils tells yoga increase our mentality, but gym is also increase our mentality, because in gym we are struggling with high weight, and how to we measure that time high weight. So gym is good and yoga is also good, but currently gym is more good compared to yoga, because mostly of the youth attracted with gym, not yoga, because yoga take too much time and peaceful place, and that type place currently not available in city. So gym is increasing day by day, and according to me gym is more better than compared to yoga. Thank you.
Okay, that's great.
Hello guys, my name is Gaurav. The today topic is yoga versus gyms. My opinion, the yoga is the best because at least we can yoga do in morning times at 5 p.m. and it is very good. The morning air is very health for us, our bodies, and the yoga removes our negative vibes and negative things, and positive things and come outside, come inside our bodies.
Right.
And the physical body is also fit, and the and the minds with the shant ho jata, matlab
We get peace of mind.
we get peace
by
of
doing
minds
yoga.
and yoga. And and in gym, the most of the persons take up proteins. It is very harmful for our bodies, and sometimes gym persons lost our bodies.
Definitely. So he is giving a very valid reason for not favoring gym, because when someone do gymming, so they take steroids and other kind of protein which sometimes are not good for the health, while yoga doesn't need any kind of such things, and you can keep yourself fit in a very organic manner. So it's your turn. Please come here and favor your point, whatever it is.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. First of all, hello everyone. As you all know, my name is Rishi Jain, and today's topic is yoga versus gym. So I am here for supporting gym because if we want instant results, so we need to go to gym, because yoga takes so many long term to show their results. So this is my experience, that I also do yoga but not gym, because I am believing that long term investment is good for our health. So thank you, sir.
Everyone, I am Shivani Lakhore. Today's topic yoga versus gym. I supported yoga. Yoga is the best exercise in the world. Doing a yoga, making a good health and fresh mind. That's it.
Okay, that's nice. So you should conclude the discussion now.
So my brothers who are favoring the gym, they raise some important point, like we can gain or change physical appearance in a short interval of time, and someone who wants to gain weight or lose the weight in a 2 or 3 months, they can done by only through the gym, not by the yoga. So yoga, it is very difficult to change our physical appearance. So by yoga we can gain mindfulness, we can gain peace, we can connect our soul to the universal soul. It can happen, but whenever the topic come on the physical etiquette, it would be prefer gym, because in the today life where each person have very less time for themselves because of working culture, so they would rather shift to the gym, because as we know, yoga is a very tedious or very sometimes create disturbance in our mind as well, because it is very difficult for a youth to handle their mind. So mind को दौड़ना क्या कहते हैं, zigzag movement of our thinking. So I think youth should follow the yoga as well as gym, because physical as well as our spiritual and peace is both important to maintain our stability in the life. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for speaking on this topic.